Hi Alex, this is just a quick video response for you with regards to your Beko BBIM12300XC oven. First of all, thank you very much for your comment and sharing the model number with us, as it is very helpful when it comes to finding the technical knowledge like service manual, exploit diagrams, and the wiring diagram. Since Paul is away right now, I'm helping him out with answering his FAQ questions, because I didn't want you to wait for a long period of time to get an answer. As you might guess, I'm not a technician like Paul, but I was able to put all the necessary information together for you. Anyway, you said it that your oven won't power up recently. You checked the plug and the fuse, but there's no sign of life. In this case, you may have a problem with the timer, the selector switch, or the circuit board. To be able to identify the problem correctly, you should test these elements, and we have videos showing how to do this. You can find them in the description below. You will also see an FAQ page link below, where you can find all the spare parts and the documents like wiring diagram, service manual, exploit diagrams, and related videos. If you need more help, please feel free to contact us again. Also, please don't forget to support us by liking this video and buying the parts of us. Cheers!